If you're wondering how to enable autoplay on Disney Plus, you are in the right place. We have got some effective solutions lined up for you. Welcome back to silicophilic.com, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. Using the Disney Plus app. To enable the autoplay feature on Disney Plus, first you need to launch the application on your device. After that, click on your profile icon and select Edit Profile. Then turn on the autoplay feature by moving the toggle to the right. Then click on Save and you are done. And there you have it. An easy solution to help you enable autoplay on Disney Plus. We hope this method has worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.